Well, we bought it. We're in it. We're on our way. This is our new Volvo XC90.
Drive a Volvo, beige one.
Oh, I will most definitely be picking up the Volvo.
Guys, where's the Volvo?
I got the Volvo.
So basically, this is another one of those situations. Same thing as the Subaru. We're doing it again, but it is what it is. A friend is looking for a car. Her car broke down. She wants an all-wheel drive car. She's been looking for a car for a while, an all-wheel drive car. So I've been trying to find something. The Subaru was originally for her. I've been looking for something a bit bigger, an SUV, all-wheel drive, something reliable, something nice. Couldn't find anything. Yesterday, her car died, so I told her I'd try and find something. Then out of nowhere today, my friend calls and says, hey, I've got cars, come check them. Okay, as usual, we go check them. And there's this XC90. So right away I saw it and I saw the quality and saw everything. And I was just like, oh, this is a rather nice car. Outside, fairly nice. It's in very good condition. It's a 2013 XC90, 3.2 liter in amazing condition. So I said, hey, let me see about bringing this to her. This might be a good car for her. So I sent her pictures and she said, yeah, I do like it. Now here's the thing. She lives an hour and 45 minutes away. So she said, well, what are we going to do with the registration? Will it be easier to put it in your name and then drive it to you? So that way you don't have to go through the hassle of going to register it. And also it'd just be so much easier to pick it up and go straight to your name. Again, we're doing the same thing where I've purchased the car. I've registered it under this person's name and we're now bringing it to them to test drive, to purchase it. We hope. If she doesn't purchase it, it honestly doesn't make a difference. I'll sell the car and I'll sell it for much more money than I'm selling it to her for. Almost double the price. But it's more of the adventure of these things. This is going to be my second time purchasing a car, putting it under somebody else's name, driving it to them, and I guess we'll see. So we'll see. For now, we got an hour and a half drive. Let's get on it.
I just wanna drive till the road done. I just wanna ride till the sun's gone and the night come. I just wanna drive till tomorrow, and tomorrow drive till the lights done, drive till gas gone, drive till the cops come, and keep on driving. I drive, I've always had drive. You can match my drive, and I drive. New tires, new wheels, new wheel. Who dis? And I drive. And I drive. New leather, new wood, new carbon, new screen. My new car got all the new things. I walk out in the morning, see that sexy bitch in my driveway. Happiness is the highway, happiness in my driveway. I drive and I drive and I drive and I did it all my way. Scott Sinatra, the Rat Pack will not follow where I go. Solo dolo in my car. Oh wait, cars. I have a few keys jingle like a choir, so you'll catch me in a new whip, burning up some tires, and we drive.
So, this episode of Scott's Lot is definitely backwards, inside out, whatever you want to call it. Today, Volvo XC90 2013. This thing has a lot of mileage, 257, but anyone who knows Volvos knows they go forever. As long as they're really well maintained, they go forever. The average goes 300, 350, and some of them have been known to go to 400, 500,000. So this car is in amazing condition, amazing condition. It's for a friend. She's looking for something all-wheel drive. I picked it up, registered to her. You guys know the story. You've watched, drove it up here. So I've just been driving this car for about an hour and a half now, 2 hours, and it drives great. I'm sure you guys saw the video of it driving up here. Beautiful. The view's beautiful. The car drove beautiful. Just really, really, really well. So, yeah, this is just a backwards episode of Scott's Lot, but this is what it is. 2013 Volvo XC90. It's so well maintained and it is fully loaded. This thing is so nice, even with 257,000 kilometers. Just an amazing vehicle. Driving is just nice. It's got its one little rust item, but like overall, come on, this thing is 2013. Look at this thing. Just a pretty truck, and it's got the mirrors with the turning signal and also the blind spot detection, little radars. Just such a cool car. Really always loved Volvos. This one's just pretty. Let's see the inside. Some white stitching, some nice center stitching. Just overall, look at the inside, look. Well, that's it. Car's here and car's sold. She likes it, and that's it. Another one down. On to the next one, and that's an episode of Scott's Lot.